Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we've got something that we always look forward to. What could it be? Magic at your door. Dude's looking fantastic this month. A little reminiscent of the orange bird. Let the magic begin. And that's coming up right now. All right, so this, I believe, we get two subscriptions for Magic at Your Door. The gold box, which is $124.99, and the bronze box, which is $74.99. And I'm guessing by the size of the boxes that this one is the gold box, but you just never know. Let's take a look inside. Alright, so to begin, we have the monthly newsletter, which I will boop. Alright, so this has, of course, the color coding for all the pricing. For things that don't have an actual price tag, so you can figure out what the value of your box is. So remember, I paid $120. If this is the gold box, I paid $124.99, and shipping is included. Tells you about their VIP discounts, and you can text a number. Well, you can read it, it's right there. They just released their Christmas in July box, and it's on here, but by the time all of us got these, they were already gone. It was extremely popular this year, and a lot of people jumped all over it, me being one of them. So we will get that in July, and then it also talks about the referral program where you can, if people use your promo code, they can earn a little and save you some money. And I'll talk more about that later. If you would like to get your first subscription and you don't have a friend that has a code, you can use mine. All right, so we're looking very festive, and that looks like a lot of confetti. So I think this is going to be a good one for Dominic. All right. Oh, this has got a lot in it. All right. Let's see what we are starting with. I don't know what that says, but it says it's 60 bucks. I still don't know what that is. I'm gonna put this on the... Oh, it's heavy. Oh, there's good stuff in there. So, it looks like a book. It's villains, but I think it's a purse. Ooh, it's got a magnet too. Whoosh. It is a purse. Poison apple. Oh, nothing. How cool is that? Matches my shoes. I'm going out. Very cool. Mary is very excited behind the camera. And we don't have... Oh, there's a zipper pouch in there. Kind of hard to see because it's all black, but It's in there. It's got 2 magnets on it. Very cool. All right. Very nice start, Mike. Let's see. We have got... a poison apple coin purse. There's a theme going on here. Mike sent me a private message and he said, I think I can do a whole box just for Mary. And I said, sweet. So I think that's what this is. Oh, I'm alright. Legendary golden pouch. It's the gold box. Be right with you. Very cool. Pot holder. I have one similar to this, but not exactly this one, and we use them all the time. We really dig these. They also work in a pinch as a bottle opener. Get better grip. Very cool. And this must be the one item for me. I love it. Alright, then... this was on the wish list, and it is a ratatouille cheese board and utensils. And this is awesome. I love kitchen stuff. Let's see what we have here. It's really heavy. Did I say that already? I'm alright. It's fine. It's not taped. Oop, nothing. Got it. It is taped. Oh, yeah. So... oh, it's like all self-contained. It's like a puzzle box. Oh, there it is. How cool is that? So it's a cutting board. It's not a throwing knife. That's a throwing knife. Very cool. It's made really well. It's really heavy. That's really cool. Very nice. I love it. I love it. Alright. And that, I don't know if that has a price on it. If not, I will find out for you and you will... there it is. Whoa! $54.95. But, like I said, it is made really well. And I like how it's got the inlays, if you can see, to make it look like little cheese holes. It is really very nice. I'll put a better picture on the turntable and boop, so you can check that out. And then also another picture of just the boop, knives and things. Alright, so one final thing remains. Wow. I really made a mess this time. I hope this is the...
You big dumb.
Can I get the pen? Thank you. Sorry about that. This is it. Alright, so Magic at Your Door does a monthly pin all year this year, and they have been amazing. Actually, if this is the first one you're watching, I'll put all the other pins up. Boop, 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 so you can see what we've gotten so far. This one is modeled after the Orange Bird, and this one might be my favorite again. They keep doing such a good job. Wow. Really good colors. And I like that it's got the ear layout. Let me put a really good picture of this one up here so you can take a look. And take a look at that, because I've got my collection going over there, and I really am not going to miss a single one this year because, you know, they're fantasy pins. Magic at Your Door has these made, and they design them and work together with the manufacturer and all that good stuff. But they are really nice, really heavy pins. Double post on that. And we love these. Very cool. Thank you very much, Mike and 001. Really good box. And we have another box coming up too, because there's 2 of these. The total value of this box, boop, right there. You can see it's definitely worth it. Again, cost us $124.99 and free shipping. If you would like to get your own Magic at Your Door box, we have a promo code right there. Boop. And down in the description down below, there is a link to Magic at Your Door, and you can enter that promo code to receive $10 off your first subscription box or your first one-time box. So the Magic AF box or the just one-time box. And get your own, because you can start your own collection like we have. It's getting a little crazy around here. If you'd like to take a look at last week's video, it was Main Street Mail. You can check that out right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. Hope you're having a great day.